Globe
Palakpakan natin ang Globe!
Thank you very much for bringing us together. You know,
Yes.
as I said, I haven't been in the Philippines for so long, and may namimiss ako ng country dito.
Kung hindi tayo sa Globe, hindi tayo makikita ngayon. And you know, Globe is really keeping us connected. Hindi lang tayong dalawa, but all the millions of Filipinos all over the world connected. Sobrang nakaka-relate ako. Sino po dito ang meron na iwan ng loved one in the Philippines? Merong boyfriend, girlfriend? Naiwan sa Pilipinas? Ako! Hoy, iniwan mo ako! Buti na kay Globe! Kasi ko kung nasan ka! Sino may sabi ikaw? Sino mo na si Luis? Hindi pala.
Okay, of course, yun nga sinasabi ko, it wouldn't be possible if Nikki and I were to be in Vancouver right now, because I'm based right now, nasa France, so I'm Paris, and Globe made it possible for me and Nikki to be together, and that's what Globe's been doing around the world.
Yes, that's right. I agree with you, Billy. And because of Globe, kasama natin ngayon yung mga kababayans natin here in Vancouver and in other parts of Canada to celebrate this very, very special day with all of us. So once again, let's give it up for Globe. Palakpakan naman natin ang Globe.
That's right.
And also to our other friends who made this event possible, we have a list of people that we would like to acknowledge.
And, oh, split.
Yeah.
Okay.